So guys, I'm making this coat, and I would say this is one job that I do not like to do. It is so messy dealing with these furs, and fur is all literally in my eyeballs. I should have wore goggles, but when it cuts, even doing it with the razor, it's still really hard. So when you're making these type of coats, I'm making this, and I'm making it look like, y'all seen the store, the leather closet. So that's what this one is inspired by, okay? Let me show you. So I got the clips on. The top part is not glued. So you already have your pieces cut where you're going to glue them at. So I'm already starting to glue this side down. But you see how it's going to go? You see how it's going to go? And I got to roll it under. The sleeves is attached. So I'm starting to do the process. So I'm showing y'all what this one look like. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Jesus. Lord. I hope I get all this fur out my eyes. So this is when I don't. Oh, Lord. So y'all see I'm doing a fold over method. And once you have it measured out and where you want to put it, I use these clips that you do hair with to the beauticians. And I clip it around. And now I'm just gluing it. I'm just taking my time now gluing it around. So it's a real simple coat to make. So cut your pieces out. It'll be a lot easier. And even using a knife and taking my time cutting it, this fur is so messy. So y'all be wondering why I don't like doing these type of jackets and stuff for people. It's the cleanup. Oh God, it's so messy. So, and it's like people don't like to pay you. You know, they want you to do it and do all this, and they want to give you $10, $15. This stuff gets in your eyes. You know, you gotta, oh Jesus. It's a real messy job. So you gotta do the cutting and all that. So a lot of times, certain jobs, I like for y'all to do it yourself than me to do it. It's that messy. So that's all I'm doing. When I finish it, I'll come back. Y'all see that fur flying all around? All right. Okay, guys. So it is finished. So if you guys want to be able to save your zipper where you don't have to put in the hooks, I just didn't glue the fur down this far. So you see I was still able to utilize the zipper because I don't need it always zipped up that far. So you see? So if you got a jacket like this and you want to do the fur came off eBay. So put in whatever color you want, black and brown fur, red and brown fur, blue and green fur. Go to eBay, put in the colors you want. And this fur I wound up getting like 4 yards. Because remember I made a full jacket. So the fur full jacket that's on here. So I had a lot left over. So I just took one of my jackets that I had and trimmed it with the fur. So definitely get a vacuum because you're going to have fur almost every single wear. But I love the little jacket. So thank you guys. Happy sewing. Bye-bye.